outpost under attack. What? Attacking our outpost already. So we need to go back. Alright. We'll do whatever we can, I guess. Killing pushback, attacking forces. I guess that we really have to go. What? They didn't notice us. Don't move. What? That missed him. Where are you? Where? They're from above, can we? That was cool. To get up here. Oh, we have. That's our guy. Come on, just show yourself. Oh, wow, that was bad. Oh, no, 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 no. Oops. For you. That didn't take him down. They're retreating good. I'm gonna take him. Ah, no. Yes, been able to take him down. Can we take more? I wanna take one more down. Run, Forest, run. Oh, you're lucky. Very lucky. Wow. That's a lot of men being taken down with one bow and arrow. I'm sorry, but I like chasing them. Showing no mercy after they run away. They actually stopped us from going to the bell tower. Now, gonna get back on the road. Ooh, we have some skill points, that's good. Let's get the drag takedown so we can take heavy takedown later on. So we're gonna go with this drag takedown. This one cost 3. Okay. And riding elephant, that's cool. I don't usually use these things, but catch train, speed or repair to increase the camera visual collectibles and let you set the waypoint to them. I want this one. Fire arrow sticky explosive upgrades. That's something good. So we're gonna go with this. I don't understand what that means exactly. Show collectibles. How would that work exactly? I don't know. But we are fairly close to our trading post, so we're gonna go back. I'm gonna buy some supplies. Buy some supplies, and I'll see you soon. Alright, now we're ready. Again, set the waypoint. Ooh, that's good. Propaganda poster. Exactly. No bad, no bad. Let's go there. Then we head to the bell tower. I think it's the same place where we came that? Are you alone here? Gonna have an arrow just in case. Seems like he was alone here. 3 knives. Oh no, that's small arrows for the automatic arrow one. The crossbow, automatic crossbow. To Shanat tonight. Come with testing. Potatoes. Basement. Some fun. Tonight the masked man is fighting. Everybody says he's unbeatable. Be sure. The masked man sounds like that killer with the Yulun. I always forget the name. There is a killer on the loose here, and we have those masks. I think we already saw it before. It's a shame you cannot call for a vehicle backup. Is that? He is a red guy. Yep. Oh, he's moving target. Practice, that's good. No. He stopped. What? Very bad. Missed that shot. Had to get a headshot. Couldn't. Got back the arrow. I wonder what is the best way. Looks like the road goes uphill here. Go with the shotgun just in case. Always running with the shotgun reminds me of the videos I saw of Resident Evil 8. Not a game that I think I can play really. Feels like something I will have hard time playing really. Right in the belly. That was near. That was very close. I like it that you have more opportunities to get inside fights in this game. In the third one, it was not as varied. It's much more interesting now in this game, so you really need to be careful. You might come across some opposition here. It looks clear. To look for climbing areas, but there's nothing here. No cliffs. And it's amazing. I think I said it before. It's very hard to spot green leaves in this game, since I don't have the minimap. Almost, I can spot them. Somebody shouts eagle. Need to be careful. We have some boars here, they might attack us. Better be careful. Okay, we are close. Let's go. Quiet. Someone. No. Maybe inside. We have a propaganda poster there. Oh. These are good guys. What are they doing? Just having their hands in this way. Someone's praying inside here, so no bad guys. That's good. I thought maybe we'll have bad people here. They're shouting eagle. Better be careful. Okay. Ready to go up. like those karma events. Is only one. It's always a good practice. Very bad execution though. Thank you. I see a commander as well. Let me look at the front. Please don't turn around, let me look at you. Yeah. He's a commander as well. If you remember from the previous video, we had a situation just like that. How do you jump there? I cannot, it's very hard for me to get speed. Okay, and jump. Watch out for eagles. No, maybe here. Yes. These towers are better than the third one. In the third game, I mean. No. Okay, here, in the middle. It was always fun for me to try and get enemies from up here. Ooh, watch out. Sniping them with the bow and arrow. Such a good addition for this game. He's a normal person. I remember seeing Far Cry 3's videos and that they introduced the bow and arrow. And I was still playing Far Cry 2 that time. And the only addition that I wanted to the game is a bow and arrow. To be able to go quietly and use the bow and arrow because I thought that it looks awesome. Somebody's asking help because of an eagle. Yes, that was a bad guy. I have a bow and arrow behind me in my room, but I still did not use it. I think I have it for a year now, but I did not use it, and I want to, but for some reason I'm worried. Well, you know, in Japan with the rules and everything, and the eagle is flying towards us. Can we take him down? He is challenging. No, missed. Ooh, there's somebody there. Wow, that would be an amazing shot. If they are red, I think they are. Yeah. I'm almost sure that they are. But that would be impossible, really an impossible shot. He took somebody. He got a pig. So hard getting a shot here. One more. One more. I think we got him. Wow, he just got a pig with him. Let's try like a few shots. That should be a real challenge. But I have to not moving target from here would be here. Let's try. Yes. I think they noticed something, but I don't think it went so far. Oh, he's dead. Yep. Okay, we have a box. Ammo. Let's see what kind of areas we're gonna open here. Let's visit one of the areas, shall we? I'm gonna get another Okay, when we have a trader day, trader there, I want to say, not day. Let's try and get the trader first. Watch out from the pig here. Back down. Trader, my friend. Let me check what you have here. Good, we got a new weapon. Sell some stuff. Actually, it was better buying and then selling. And yeah, we have everything here we need. You cannot put a silencer or anything. That's a shame. Okay. Thank you. Now let's take this and see how far we can go with it. Something is shining there. Yeah, that might be a collectible. Oh, I think that was one of the places, the other places we opened, so let's check this out and then go down. Only our guys. They seem to enjoy their time here. Thanks to the fire, that's good. That doesn't look good. What else do you got here? Green plant. Oh, is it? No. Remove poster. What's that? That's beautiful. I wonder what's that used for? Tell me if you know. Some small arrows here for the automatic bow and arrow. Oh, and a pipe. An offering. Right, well, finding places here gives us XP, and that's great. Now let's see again. Oh no, that's not the right side. Get the vehicle here. Actually, I was wondering, how do you get a bigger throwing knives pouch? Maybe that one, grenades, molotov, throwing knives. Yes, yak. You need yak for that. Ooh. Do we have yak in here? Do you see a yak doll? We need a doll. We have a rhino. Baharau. That's one of the enemies we need. Animals we need. But I do not see a yak. Badger. We need a badger. Yes. Airport. I remember the airport. Yeah. Long time ago. That's cool. Let's see. Yak is what I want, but we do not have here yak for that as well. Baharal is for a wallet. Baharal, do we need a doll? Doll, no, just Baharal. Let's look for this Baharal again. Baharal, what is this? A pig. No. I want to read what they write down there. So Baharal is way down here. Okay, I can get there after. I'll do it afterwards. Again, I want to check this place out. So let's go there. Let's see if we can get there from here. Seems like the right way. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. At least we scared them a little bit. The quad is sliding and grinding. Drifting a lot. Oh, watch out. Oh, sorry. I got you. They were normal people. Sorry, very just a wall. Rock. Now, not to get confused, I'm gonna take the marked area of the map. Something there. Pigs. There is a wheel here. Wait a moment, that might be... No, that's not Longus Place, no. Longinus, isn't it? Is it? Supposed to have a bench or a table and on top of it might have the is that Baharal? The wingsuit, I want to say, yeah. These are not the Baharals, right? Are they? They don't seem like these animals. Sorry, boys and girls, I don't know what Baharal is because I don't think I ever saw one. We have a trader here. Good, everything we steal we can sell. No space for that. Good. Oops, it reminds me that you can sit down in campfires when you play Red Dead Redemption. You can sit down with strangers. Let me see if this is Baharal. Might be. Let me check. Oh yeah, it was a Baharal. First time. Good. Got a bigger wallet. Do we need more? Oh yeah, we do. We need 3 more for ammo pack. Oh, sweet. Exactly what we need. There is one there. I want to get a clean shot. Let's do more. Clean shot will gain us 2 more. Twice. Of whatever you are getting. Oops. Very good ammo bag, that's exactly what we need. Leopard. Now that we have a stronger bow, we might get a good chance getting a leopard. Easily. Oh, easy air. Not easily, but easy air. Okay, I could go and liberate another tower. Here. Having a vehicle down here. Go and get the vehicle. Remember that you're in the wild, so you better have strong weapons ready. Fight ready. Oh, we have some red guys here. Go around them. See what we're dealing with. 1, 2. Somebody, one of them, we were talking, and the other guy said, "You're insufferable, I should punch you in the mouth." What kind of friend are you? Let us do the work for you. See that no one here. Yeah, no one's here. Good. You have a lot of white and blue leaves, but I don't get enough green leaves here. I really need to have more green leaves just ready. What just happened? boxes and collectibles are not flashing in front of you. 7 pounds of flesh. They were reported that there were 7 plus missing from the last opium shipment. 7 pounds were missing between leaving the tea factory and leaving this warehouse. Be generous. Give you 24 hours to return it to me. No questions asked. If you do not get me 7 pounds back, take 7 pounds from something that you hold precious. Will be at the island. Satish Nath. The island. What island is that? Maybe something here that we cannot see for now. No one here. Good. Well, we have a vehicle here, so we take the vehicle and go on our way. That's what we wanted, right? And go there. So go out from this bridge, right, keep on the right, and next left, and then we'll figure it out. Ooh, actually, I did a mistake. Let me check something. I got inside with the bow and arrow. If I choose this and then go out, would it be? No, it's not. So we better be fight ready. And grenades. Getting out of a vehicle to change might be a bad choice. Can you go from here? Yes, that worked. Good. Really want this flying suit, but I do not want to buy it. I want to find it. Did I miss my turn already? No. We're good. Keep here and the next. Right and left. We keep to the left. Right. No. We said right. Then on the left. Dummy. On the big bridge here. We should go slower. Might have some enemies. Kill the bell power. Oh, here. Enemies already. Let's block the area here. Oh no. Kill the guards. Save the hostages. They're right in the middle of the road. I should go around. Most of them are with their backs to this side. So, gonna surprise them. Let's hope that there are no scary fish in this river. Might encounter some scary fish. Watch out, be ready to have a jump scare. Might happen. No, we're still good. Good for us. Okay, fight ready. Looks like they're getting inside the fight already. With our guys. Ooh, our guys are here. Good. Thank you. Yes. And not good. What? They're gonna come here. That's for you. Just in case, one more. Worked, worked. That was good, good teamwork. Thank you, friend. Very good job. One of them is down. I'm sorry. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Oops, no, that's not what I wanted to do as well. Still confusing with the driving mechanics here. You need to use the joysticks, the sticks, but I'm still pressing L1 and R1 when I'm not supposed to. I want to get some more grenades. These guys are down under the water. Not gonna chase them. I'm gonna come here and check whatever they have here. Might be useful for us. To us. Oh, we have a mask here. Oh yeah, that's the killer scene. us on the roof. Let me see what they have written here. I really like the lake. I have waited on the lake for the master, but yeah, we already seen this one. Dimda's not worthy. Let me try to listen to the chanting. No, it's not on the roof. Might be up here. Oh, here it is. Can we collect it? Yeah. There is a guy under here as well. We can search. Sorry. I thought maybe it's gonna be on the roof, but it was not. I hear a vehicle, some kind of a motor. Oh, we have a rhino. Do we need a rhino? No, we might need in the future. I'm afraid to get inside the vehicle, but it might be okay if we're not getting too close to the rhinos. Let's just go as fast as we can. I think we're safe, that's good. Now I think I saw enemies here before. Be careful. Go up to the left here. It seems like the right way. And I'm gonna stop very soon. Getting close. Still, okay, we still have it some time. And maybe to the left again. Maybe. I wanna go as close as I can with the vehicle. That's good. That's good. We're good. Make sure that there are no enemies and no snipers, because sometimes you do have snipers here. The cool music. The cool music started. We have a machine gun. That means that we might have some enemies up there. And we also have some bees or something. We have many here. Actually, it's better to shoot them down before we get close. Because if not, they might attack us. I have some kind of a note here. Is it safe? Let's go around and see that if we have more bees here, killer bees. Is it okay? Clear of bees. Yes, clear. Oh, we do have some animal here. No, we don't need. Nothing here except for a shovel. We're good. We're good. You know, I never got the Bushmaster in this game because you need to. I think I'm hearing a snake. Where is the snake? I'm hearing. Oh. Is it the snake? Are you the Mr. Snake? Are you? Yes. He was. I think they're gonna say something about the bees. Health and safety warning. Penguin wishes a mind about towers that are from dangerous relics of an ignorant past. No, that's something different. Penguin is reminded that the bell towers of Kirat have been officially condemned for countless health and safety violations. It is with your best interest at heart that Pagan instructs you to stay away from these dangerous relics of an ignorant past. May Pagan's light shine upon. Very good. Thank you for your kindness, Pagan Min. We better stay away from these animals. I think that fire was the way to take it down without having repercussions of them attacking you. Next time we should try to do it with fire. I hope it will work. Okay, should be safe. No more. Good. Now, how do you go up? Here. After we climb this, we'll say goodbye, unless something